In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Jira. If you find working late into the night or simply prefer a darker interface, switching to dark mode can greatly enhance your experience by reducing eye strain and providing a sleek new look. So let's get started on transforming your Jira dashboard. First, navigate to the top right corner of your Jira screen where your profile picture is located. Clicking on your profile picture is our gateway to personalizing your Jira experience. This little icon is often overlooked, but it opens the door to various settings that can significantly impact how we use Jira every day. Once you've clicked your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. You're going to see several options here, but what you're looking for is the one labeled Theme. This is your ticket to change the appearance of your Jira interface. Click on Theme, and it will lead you to the section where the magic happens. Now, in the theme settings, you'll be greeted by a few different options such as light, dark, and match browser. These options give you the flexibility to tailor your Jira interface to better match your preferences or your system settings. The light theme is likely the default, which keeps your screen bright and reflective of typical daytime lighting conditions. Next, let's focus on the dark option. When you select dark, your entire Jira interface will shift to a darker color palette. This change is excellent for working in low light environments or if you simply prefer the darker aesthetics over the standard white background. The dark theme not only reduces glare but also helps in saving battery life on devices with OLED screens. Beyond that, there's another interesting option, Match System. When you select this, Jira will automatically adjust to match the theme of your operating system. If your system has a dark theme set in its settings, Jira will mimic that choice without you having to change it manually. This is particularly useful if you switch themes frequently or like your applications to align with your operating system's current appearance. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily switch your Jira interface to dark mode or even let it dynamically adjust to your system settings. Remember, getting comfortable with your workspace can make a huge difference in productivity, so don't hesitate to explore different settings and find what works best for you. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy your newly customized dark themed Jira experience.